The single leg lateral cone hop is an athletic, plyometric leg exercise to improve agility, explosiveness, and balance. This move primarily targets the muscles in the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. To get started, begin by standing on one leg next to a cone or marker placed on the ground, with your outside leg bent with your foot pointing behind you. Keep your standing inside leg slightly bent and your foot firmly planted on the ground while maintaining a slight bend in your knee to help with stability. Push off the ground explosively with your planted leg and hop laterally over the cone. As you jump, swing your arms to help generate momentum and propel yourself sideways. Land softly on the same leg as you land on the opposite side of the cone. Absorb the impact by landing with your knees slightly bent to help the shock absorption and maintain stability. Before hopping back over the cone, first stabilize yourself on the single leg by engaging your core and keeping your body centered. Once stable, quickly push off the ground again and hop back to the starting position next to the cone. Aim for a smooth and controlled movement throughout the exercise. Repeat all the reps on one leg, then switch legs and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.